Right, we failed. We tried as hard as we could to get the dream build, as you can see behind me, done for Ultimate Stance this weekend. On Monday night, me and Andy had a bit of a discussion and we realised it's probably not going to happen. We were going to have to rush too many things and it doesn't deserve that. It deserves a lot of time spent on it. So we've got something else. On Tuesday, we decided, or Monday evening, we decided on Tuesday we were going to develop a kit for something else because we needed to fill the gap for this on the stand. So it's going to be a UK first and we want it to be the lowest in the world currently. So here we go, let's see what it is. So wow, there we go. How much of a difference does that look? Everybody's slating the new Transit Transporter collaboration. We've decided to start making some changes to them, try and make them a bit cooler. So I've got to shout out quite a lot of people for this week. We had a lot of help to get it here. The whole team have mucked in. So we've got to shout out Bill Stein. They were there giving us advice and helping us with dimensions of a few things. Dubdoc Shop helps us push some bushes in into the rear dampers. We had Pro Plates come through with the personalised number plate on it. So we've gone for AT72 low for the new VW Transporter Transit collab. This is our prototype grille, so gloss black grille for these. This will be out end of this year, early next year. We've got the splitter that we've added on, the side skirts, and the rear valance splitter. These are all available now on our website. We've got also a spoiler. We've had this colour coded to match. These come raw. Simon from SP Paint Repairs, he came out and he painted this for us here because he knew how much of a deadline it was on. And Race Lines helped us out. Mitch deals with those in Nuneaton. It's Jake there. We needed some fittings to make it work as we would want it to on all the air suspension. So he helped out. Mitch went over there and he got everything that we needed straight away. We've had the lads here, Craig, who used to be a painter and decorator, so it helps us massively. He's painted the brakes for us. That's a BMW blue. And that is blue is to go with Ford blue, and the stitch on our interior. So we've had the seats retrimmed as well, and these are going to be available on our website. Custom retrimming services for transits, transporters, and a few other things. And that is it. So that is the first bagged new Transit in the UK, and it's the lowest one in the world. So how about that? I'm going to do Andy's job right now. Make sure you subscribe, it really helps us. It helps us get more information, more videos out there. Like, ring the bell, do all that sort of thing. I don't know how it all goes, but Andy gets it all. Like, share, subscribe, comment, tell us everything. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you guys.